Hello. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the admission process, step by step. Go to the main page of the CUHK Graduate School. Click Online System for Applications for Admission to Postgraduate Programs. You will be directed to the online application system for admission to postgraduate programs. If you have not submitted any applications for CUHK postgraduate programs, click Create an Account. Fill in your information. Then, click Create Account. After creating the application account, you will receive a validation email. Please check your mailbox. Log in your mailbox and open the validation message sent by CUHK. Follow the instruction and click on the activation link. You will be directed to a confirmation page. Click Log in to return to the online application system. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. To add your first application, click Add New Application. You will see a faculty list. Click Faculty of Social Science. Likewise, you will see a list of possible faculty programs. To apply for dual degree, MSc in Applied Economics, CUC, and MSc in Social and Economic Policy, Northwestern University, select Master of Science in Applied Economics program. Click on the circle under the Choice column. Scroll down and click Application Form to proceed. You will be directed to the first section, Program Selection. You can click Next to proceed unless you have already submitted applications for other program. You will be directed to the second section, Personal Particulars. Fill in all the information, including your passport number or other identity document number. When you are done, scroll down and click Next. This is the third section, Academic Qualifications. Similarly, submit your information, then scroll down and click Next. This is the fourth section, English Language or Other Test Results. Choose the test from the drop-down menu. Submit the rest of the information. When you are done, click Next. This is the fifth section, Professional Qualifications. If you would like to provide more than one professional qualification, click More Professional Qualifications to include additional rows. When you are done, click Next. This is the sixth section, Working Experience. Please click More Working Experiences if you would like to provide more information about your work experience. When you are done, click Next. This is the seventh section, Upload Supporting Document. Please pay attention and follow our instruction to upload your documents. First, select the document type. Open the drop-down menu and click on the document you want to upload. We will use Graduate Certificate as an example. To upload a file from your computer, click Choose File. Select your file, then click Open. Click Upload to submit your file to the application system. Remember to leave your remarks for specific documents. Please check the document type for each of your submitted documents. For DMDP students, please provide us with your writing sample in English. If the system accepts your submission, it shows the document is uploaded successfully. You can view or delete your uploaded document below. When you are done, click Next. This is the eighth section, Survey. Answers the two multiple choice questions with multiple answers. When you are done, click Next. This is the ninth section, Declaration. Read and accept the declaration to proceed. When you are done, click Next. This is the 10th and the final section, Payment. Click Submit to proceed. Click Next. For your information, you can also choose to continue your application procedure later. You can be redirected to the secure payment system afterwards. In the payment page, choose your payment method to pay. You will receive this message when your payment is accepted. Click Back to your application list to view the status of your application. This is your application list. Here you can amend application and submit nominations of your referees. To upload additional supporting documents, click Amend. You can upload missing documents if you need. To submit referees' information and check recommendation status, click Manage. You will be directed to a new page. Click Add a referee. Please make sure that you fill in accurate referees' information. When you are done, click Submit. Now you can view your referee's information and status, or add a referee. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon.